I do get asked this question a lot, like, can you have a full face of makeup that stays on your face for a party or wedding? That is only Drugstore. So I am here to show you a full face of makeup that you can wear for any party for like hours, and it will not go anywhere, and it will all be Drugstore. So I've hydrated my face using the Makeup Revolution Gold Elixir Serum. This is a travel size. I'm going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, which has niacinamide in it. I mean, this thing it works. If you want a primer that keeps your makeup all on day on your face, this is the primer to get, because it definitely sticks all your makeup on your face. The Milk Gripping Primer, this is the Drugstore solution to that. So for eyebrows, I use two things. One is this LA Colors Browy Wowy pencil. This is in the shade Espresso. And along this, I use this Collection Cosmetics Incredi Brow Gel. These are two my holy grail products. First, I'm going to fill my eyebrows using the LA Colors pencil, and then I'm going to just go over it with the brow gel. Trust me, this brow gel is so good that my eyebrows are going to last me more than 24 hours. It's so good. For color correction, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo color corrector, and it is so good. I mean, obviously I do own a Huda Beauty one as well, but this is very good on a budget. Now let's blend it. And trust me, these drugstore products, they work just perfectly fine. Like, you can see that how nicely it has neutralized my dark circles. I have a lot of dark circles, and this product definitely works for me. So it is going to work for you as well. It is not going to break your bank, and it's still going to color correct. Now I'm going to go in with the foundation, which is my forever love, the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade 6.5W, because this is such a lightweight foundation. If I want to go for skin tints, I would prefer this foundation over skin tints, because this foundation is so nice. It is so light on skin, and it matches your skin tone perfectly, and it does not weigh your face down at all. And the plus point, it's very budget friendly. For concealer, I would go for the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It is my forever love, and this matches my skin tone perfectly. I'm using shade 40 Caramel. It gives you really nice coverage. You see how nicely it has covered all the orange color corrector, and it is not gray on my under eye. My eyes are completely concealed. For blush, I have two options. I recently love these. One is this, the MUA Makeup Academy Misty Rose. This is a liquid blush. And then this is the other one, which is from Glam, in the shade Swipe Right. So if you know me, you know that I'm going to mix them both. So first I'm going to take a dot of this on both cheeks. Then I'm going to add a drop of this. Now to contour, I'm using this e.l.f. Hello Glow Beauty wand, which is like my absolute favorite. This blends so beautifully and gives you the exact amount of contour that you need. By the way, the shade that I'm using is Tan Deep. For highlighting, I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in the shade C10. And I'm just going to use it a little here, and then, you know, wherever I like to highlight. And this I'm going to blend with my foundation brush, because I need to take it like all the way here. I don't just focus it under my eyes. So this is why I'm just going to take it on the foundation brush. See how nice and subtle highlighted look it is. If you want to go lighter, you can definitely go for a lighter shade. For me, it's like perfectly fine. Now to set my makeup, I'm just going to go ahead with my e.l.f. Hello Glow powder and just start to pat it there. I love this powder because it gives you such a nice coverage, and it mattifies your makeup, plus it highlights. Now before I go ahead with anything else, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. For that, I take this Revolution Ceramide Fix Spray. Obviously dry it out. You see how nice it already looks, and all the powder is just like melted into my face. Okay guys, I'm done with my eyes. The tutorial is already uploaded on TikTok. You can go ahead and check it out. For the blush, I'm going with this my favorite Patricia Bright face palette, which is Summer Sunrise, and I absolutely love the highlighter, the blush, everything is my favorite. So I'm going to take this blush and I'm just gonna do a little, see how gorgeous is this. I will take a little bit of this bronzer so that I can set my contour. Not that it needs any setting, but You can tell that I love bronzer. I'm going to go ahead, fixing spray one more time. Dry it. Going in as highlight, I can take either this, the Patricia Bright, or the Soap highlighter palette. Let's go with the Soap one. It has every shade that you will ever need. And honestly, even after using it so much, it's still going strong. I mean, I don't think it's going to end anytime soon. For the lips, I'm going to use this lip liner by Makeup Revolution. Then I'm going to fill it with this ink crayon by Maybelline, which is in the shade On Your Empire, number 50. There you go, guys. My makeup is done, and you can see that how gorgeous, glossy, and flawless does the whole makeup look. And yes, I mean, each and every product was Drugstore. So yes, guys, you can definitely achieve a gorgeous makeup look with just using Drugstore products. And next time, if you think that your makeup is looking patchy, dry, or separating, or anything else, then don't think that your makeup product is bad. It is actually that you need to prep your skin better for your makeup to look good. It's not about which product you're using, it's about how you're using it. Hope that helps.